Hi guys, so today we went to ELS ENCANTS, the oldest and largest flea market in Barcelona. It is open Monday, Wednesday, Fridays and Saturdays from around 9 AM. We chose to go on the Friday morning. We caught a bus into the centre of Barcelona and then walked 2 kilometers to get there. It took us about 40 minutes. There are tram lines that run there. There's the T5 and the T6, but we chose to walk because it's a nice way to see the city. When we got there we realized that you needed cash, so come with cash. A lot of vendors don't accept card. Another thing we noticed is that a lot of things don't have prices on them, so you have to ask the store tender how much things are going to be, and a lot of people were bargaining and bartering to get the price down, so that's the thing that people do there. We, however, were not comfortable with bargaining because we didn't know how much things were worth, so we ended up not buying anything. However, there were a lot of things we really liked. There was a whole stand dedicated to film cameras, old cameras, digital cameras, rolls of film. There were postcards, post stamps, old knickknacks like little coins and antiques. There were bins of clothes, but the clothes had no prices on them, so what you'd do is you'll rummage through them, pull out something, ask how much. Other things that were there were just random fabrics. It was 2 stories, so the floor had all the antique stuff on it, and then above was more permanent looking stores like little boutique shops, just a whole variety of things. But one thing to note is that it is far away. You do need cash and you may need to bargain, so if you're confident in your bargaining skills, this is for you. If you're not like us, then we spent 3 hours pretty well just people watching because we were too worried about upsetting people with our bargaining or getting taken advantage of because we don't speak proper Spanish. So that was our experience. After that we headed to the Westfield 10 minutes down the road to grab some food, some poke bowls and a Starbucks. From there we walked 2 kilometers back into the middle of town. We went and saw 2 of Gaudis' buildings to see his architecture. We did not want to pay €30 to go inside, so we just admired the buildings from outside. And then we moved on to the Gothic quarter. We went and saw the cathedral.
Where's the beach? Okay.
Really? Mi casa es su casa. Anyway, fun fact, the Barcelona is actually a part of Catalonia. They have their own language. It's not actually Spanish. It's a distinct language from Spanish. So that makes things very confusing because Portuguese, Spanish, and Catalonian sound sometimes very similar. Like they all say si for yes. They all say hola. And they say bon dia here, but they say bon dia in Portugal, but they don't say bon dia in Spain. Very confusing.
It was a massive storm.
So much rain. It happened that just the last part of the day that we really just needed to run to the bus stop. And we were waiting in a little bit of a sheltered area, and we thought that that's where the bus dropped us off. And then we went to the actual address on the paper, and we rounded the corner and there was just this line of elderly folk. We're like, yeah, we're in the right place.
So yeah, that was our day.
And now we're back here and watching Madagascar. Maltesers. Yeah, staying dry and warm. It's quite cold. I think Barcelona is best enjoyed in the warm weather. But yeah.
Okay. Well, bye for now.